This particular video is to save you from blowing accounts and overtrading simply by using alert the right way. There are 3 different ways you'll understand about how to set an alert. Meanwhile, you need alert to help you to stay out of the chart for a reasonable number of times. Staying off the chart also will help you to avoid random clicks, which is what leads to overtrading or revenge trading. Now, this is a typical example of how I have used alert to place this particular trade. My analysis was this. Since gold is buying, and at a point it began to consolidate around this level. Consolidation simply means price is within a particular range. So I marked this line, I marked that consolidation zone and say, okay, if price closes below this level, I'll be planning to sell, but not immediately, because each time price crosses a consolidation zone, it usually tests that level again on 15 minutes time frame. So you can always remember this. So now let's just zoom here. So this was my marking. So when price pushed here, I had to let me set alert here so that if price comes back to test the consolidation again, I'm going to immediately place a sell and put my stop loss above the consolidation level. Because if price again pushes above here, that means they now want to reverse. So after analyzing the chart and you have an expectation, you simply double tap that place that you want to set alert to know what's going on, or you check the right side of your screen and click the clock icon. Like alert is something you should be using any day you would like to trade. After your analysis, you just set your alert and then leave the chart. So when you click here, you see the plus icon. So one way to use alert is at what price. So the moment I select alert, I simply type in the price, which is 4,400. And is it just anytime it's 4,400? You need to select here that says, is it when it's crossing, or when it is crossing to go up, or when it's crossing to come down? Because I want to sell when it's crossing to come down, I'll select crossing down. Okay. What if it is to buy? Because after your analysis, you are not only looking to buy, right? You're also looking to sell. If this happens, I buy. If this happens, I sell. So I also said, but if price, first of all, breaks above this level, I'm going to wait for it to test the consolidation level again, and then I'm going to buy. So that's why I marked this. So on that note, that particular level again, the same way, you just select alert again. What price is that? 4,424. So on the alert, we type in 4,424. For crossing this time around, we will select crossing up. Okay, so the moment you do that, you simply remember to always select on create so that it will be added. So you know that alert is added when you look your screen and you see the line there. Okay, that is one of the ways you can set alert. So imagine that for anything you are expecting on the charts. For instance, this is when I will take my next trade on the 4-hour time frame. I want to take my next trade. If New York session opens and then I see a lower high formed on the 15-minute time frame. So on that note, what I'll simply do is to select indication. Since I am now talking about I want to trade it during New York session, so I'm going to select session. This particular one that only talked about session. Okay, so now the session has been added. Because I'm talking particularly about the New York session, I'm going to click on the settings and turn off other sections I'm not waiting for, because I am only waiting for the New York session, right? Okay. Now, what did I say I would do if New York session opens? I said if I see a lower high on the 15 minutes time frame during New York session. So I'll type in the 15 minutes time frame. All right, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and currently we only have higher lows and higher highs. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame now, I'll be like, okay, since it's a lot I want to use, at any moment I start seeing price, perhaps since we are already in New York session, like we just selected it, you see we are currently in New York session. So at any time that price give me a lower high, maybe something like this, it is high now. Maybe if price gives me this, okay, that I'm going to sell. If you are constantly using alert, it will help you to keep on progressing with the next trade. So here now, when I would then buy is if price crosses above here, and then the moment it tests it, I will buy. Unless formations now form within this level. If you want a video specifically about analyzing the chart, you can check that out in this channel. Since this is what I'm expecting, I can as well just come here, okay, and set alert and say if price gets to this level, I'm going to wait and see the reaction. 4,336. Now, one thing you should know about alert is this. Alert doesn't mean automatic buy or sell all the time. Alert helps you to check out what you've been waiting for and say, okay, is this it? For instance, the first illustration was a kind of instant entry because it already put below here, it came back again. So this time around, it was automatic entry. But imagine a case where I'm waiting for the New York session to behave in a certain way, and I am speculating that it could happen around here, and I set my alert here. The moment it taps here and I come in, I'm not going to simply click on sell immediately because in my mind, I'm waiting for a structure like this to form a lower low and a lower high. Alert is not always an automatic buy or sell. Kindly share to help a Forex trader somewhere. I hope this helps you to always set your alerts professionally and trade better and save you a lot of screen time and over trading and random clicks here and there. And let me know the next video you need help with. I'm here to teach you everything about trading for free. Just make sure you always comment and be clear on exactly the area you need. If more people are commenting about a particular thing, I'll make content concerning it. Well, however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this. Bye for now.